this high enough? No. Oh, she's back. Okay. So, now I'm gonna have bird disease. Bird lord. No, don't. Too much salt, it's not good for them. To be fair, they probably eat a lot of food around here. Me giving it to them is just like another people here. I don't know which one it is, but I keep seeing Polish. But again, I actually don't think there's Polish food here, unfortunately. I don't think so. Otherwise, I would try it. I actually... Load. Let me see. Oh my god! Oh my god, he ripped it out my hand. Wait, this is...
You're gonna kick us out. Or then again, it depends on the place. That's what makes it. Why is it snowing?
I don't know, it's like foam. There's so many birds everywhere now.
Shall we put everything in this plastic?
Alright, what? Dance? I'm not gonna dance. I'm gonna look stupid.